Power that brings light, and light that enlightens. Noida Power Company Limited is an epitome of power, providing cost-effective and reliable electricity supply to Greater Noida since 1993, aiding in its transformation to an emerging industrial hub and a flourishing urban habitat. NPCL is a joint venture between RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, a leading business house in India, and the Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority, an autonomous body of the UP government responsible for town planning and infrastructure development. RP Sanjeev Goenka Group's businesses include power, carbon black manufacturing, IT-enabled services, consumer and retail, media and entertainment, sports, education and infrastructure, and plantation. Noida Power reaches out to a population of greater than 1 million, spread across hamlets, villages, and urban township spanning over 335 square kilometers. NPCL has long back electrified all its 118 villages. Out of the total licensed area, currently 40% area has been converted into industrial, institutional, and urban sectors. We are the fastest growing DISCOM in the country, doubling its volume every 4 to 5 years, while serving a customer base of 1.5 lakh, comprising not only industries, institutions, and urban customers, but also 50,000 rural households. Our customer base has grown manifold over the last 3 decades. We have met the growing demand of our consumer base through a highly skilled and competent workforce, technology, innovation, efficiency, and a strong focus on service delivery. Noida Power is set to meet the expected increase in electricity demand from ambitious projects like the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, the Integrated Industrial Township, Data Center, IT-BPO, Electronic Manufacturing Cluster, Juar Airport, and Greater Noida Metro, and committed to provide 24/7 power to all its current and potential customers. Noida Power has enhanced the quality and efficiency of electricity distribution by staying abreast with the latest technologies. Installation of ABC cables and HVDC network way back in 2002. Installation of SCADA for smooth load management. First to introduce SAP ERP in consumer billing and database management in 2005. GIS-based systems are tightly integrated with various applications of SAP to provide better consumer services. It has helped in developing accurate databases, improving internal efficiency levels pertaining to power supply monitoring, commercial and consumer services. Our new state-of-the-art technology center hosts SCADA and BMS control rooms with round-the-clock operations monitoring facility for power systems network operations and building facility management, respectively. SCADA maximizes the efficiency of the power distribution system by providing the features like real-time view into the operations, data trending and logging, maintaining desired voltage, current and power factor, generating alarms, etc. Noida Power has taken the digital route by going paperless and simplifying the payment process for our customers. The OMS Dispatch Center, along with an integrated customer call center, operates on round-the-clock basis. NPCL's CSR revolves around the philosophy of care. The company curates all its initiatives towards conservation of energy and natural resources, increasing awareness in the society, reaching out and uplifting school children and women, empowering the underprivileged skills, competencies, and resources. It has majorly contributed to women empowerment by supplying electricity to remote, dark homes, making them feel safer and secured, and also created work opportunities for women. Noida Power has set benchmarks for the industry by being a zero debt company, and in areas like T&D losses, collection efficiency, O&M costs, and digital payments. NPCL achieved the highest rating of A+ and the 7th position among 56 DISCOMs across the country in Integrated Finance Performance Rating by Power Finance Corporation under the prescribed framework of the Ministry of Power, Government of India. The company has achieved the highest A rating in consumer services of DISCOMs conducted by Rural Electrification Corporation Limited under the prescribed framework of the Ministry of Power, Government of India. It is one of the select few DISCOMs in India to be assigned AA- rating for long-term credit facilities by India Ratings and Research, formerly Fitch Ratings. Noida Power has been acknowledged and rewarded over the years for its contribution in economic growth and development of the state through development of network on payment, actual cost of land, payment of taxes, dividend to shareholders, no subsidy or grant from central or state government, etc., being acknowledged and appreciated on various national and international platforms. As a power distribution service, we aim to consistently innovate and improve business processes, implement best available technologies to provide error-free services to our customers through an empowered, committed, and creative workforce.
At NPCL, we are on a constant journey to challenge the status quo, improve business processes, implement cutting-edge technologies to provide best-in-class services to our consumers through an empowered, committed, and creative workforce. NPCL is recognized as an early adopter of leading-edge information and communication technologies. We have seamlessly integrated our entire end-to-end operations with SAP S/4HANA, Customer Information System, GIS, and Network Management System. NPCL is also utilizing advanced AI and ML-based technologies for demand forecasting. As a power distribution company, we are conscious of our role towards business in a responsible and sustainable manner. Our group, RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, has added sustainability as one of the new values, that is to be equally responsible for people, planet, and profits. We are taking proactive steps towards ESG goals and have identified robust decarbonization roadmap to usher in a sustainable tomorrow through our green initiatives. In pursuit of business excellence, NPCL has established itself as a quality and safety conscious company with the aim to establish itself as a process-centric company over person-centric. A defect of any sort or a near miss is closely looked into as a learning through reviewing SOPs for preventing any further occurrences. The collective wisdom of each and every employee at NPCL gives the company a competitive edge over other distribution companies with deeply embedded values of RPSG Group, agility, risk-taking, humanness, and credibility. The entire workforce works together towards our vision of making NPCL the most preferred power distribution company in the country.
They are very responsive. Even the minutest problems that we have, even in the middle of the night, if we call, immediately a team comes to solve the problem. Recently, we had a very major problem with our electrical infrastructure. And when we contacted them, they were very quick to respond. They guided us, and within 5 days, we were able to give a long-term solution to our street light problem. And we are very grateful to them.
We are really thankful to NPCL for their uninterrupted power supply and continuous support and service.
Our overall experience has been phenomenal. NPCL's customer centricity and transparency in meter and bill related processes is something to vouch for. I wish NPCL to keep on lightening the lives of every premise and person in Greater Noida and continue to deliver effective and efficient consumer services.
It means so much that we were able to trust the NPCL team for excellent and consistent supply and delivery of the services. Our team could not be more satisfied as the hard work of the NPCL. I am really thankful to the entire team of NPCL for providing their services to IML in all these years. I am very happy for the continuing relationship with them in the years to come.
क्योंकि दुनिया में जितना हम नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट को यूज करेंगे उतना हमारे लिए अच्छा रहेगा और नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट से हम अपनी खुद की बिजली बना रहे हैं और हमारे देश को आगे पहुंचा रहे हैं, तो मुझे लगता है ये बहुत अच्छा कदम है। और सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि हमारा NPCL जो हमें सहयोग कर रहा है, तो हमने इसलिए चुना है कि हमें सारे रिजल्ट्स बहुत अच्छे लगे हैं, तो हम यही चाहते हैं कि सब आगे आएँ और इसमें पूरा हमारे NPCL का सहयोग करें और वो भी आपके लिए हमेशा तैयार हैं।
जब पूरा विश्व कोरोना जैसी वैश्विक महामारी के कारण अपने घरों में बंद था, उस वक्त NPCL के अधिकारियों व कर्मचारियों ने क्षेत्र की जनता को निर्बाध रूप से सेवा देने में कोई कोर कसर बाकी नहीं छोड़ी।
NPCL का भी योगदान इसमें हो रहा है कि भाई जो हमारी लाइट दिन में बनती है, जो भी बिजली पैदा होती है वो NPCL के ग्रिड में जाती है और जब मुझे ज़रूरत होती है तो NPCL के ग्रिड से मुझे मिल जाती है।
जो भी ग्रेटर नोएडा शहरवासियों की जो भी समस्याएं होती है, NPCL उनका तुरंत निदान करती है। NPCL द्वारा ऑनलाइन सर्विस, SMS, बेस्ट डोर टू डोर की सेवाएं प्रदत्त की जा रही हैं। NPCL अन्य कंपनियों की तुलना में ज़्यादा बेहतर सेवा ग्रेटर नोएडा वासियों को दे रही है।
Our vision for Noida Power is to become the most preferred power distribution utility in the country by ensuring zero defects in service delivery.